Welcome to Tech Tide. Today we're crafting something special with woodworking equipment, the essential tools that turn raw timber into works of art. From precision saws to versatile routers, these machines are the backbone of any woodworker's shop. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just getting started, we'll showcase the must-have equipment that will elevate your woodworking game. Subscribe and let's carve out some creativity together. Forestry Mulcher. Forestry mulchers are powerful attachments designed to transform trees, logs, shrubs, and other vegetation into mulch with ease. Engineered for handling even the toughest tasks, these machines utilize a high-speed gear rotor that efficiently grinds the vegetation into fine mulch. The resulting mulch can be left on the ground, where it naturally decomposes, enriching the soil and promoting healthier forest ecosystems. Whether you're clearing land or managing vegetation, forestry mulchers provide an efficient and environmentally friendly solution. Cutter LASKI. In the realm of stump removal, not all stumps are as fortunate as the legendary Old Man of the Lake at Crater Lake. For those stubborn, problematic stumps, specialized machines like the Cutter LASKI step in to tackle the job with impressive efficiency. This powerful stump grinder excels in removing wood from stumps with a diameter of up to 1 meter above ground and an additional 40 centimeters below ground. Thanks to its robust 56 horsepower diesel engine, it can grind away up to 700 millimeters of wood, making it a formidable tool for even the most challenging stumps. Equipped with sliding tracks, the Cutter LASKI can navigate tight spaces and uneven terrain with ease. The machine also features the versatility to accommodate various attachments, such as a blade chipper, enhancing its functionality. For added convenience, it can be operated remotely, allowing for precise control in confined or difficult working areas. Priced at approximately $76,200, the Cutter LASKI is a premium solution for effective and efficient stump removal, combining power, versatility, and ease of use. Eco Log Harvester 500 Series. When it comes to sourcing raw materials for furniture and construction, the Eco Log Harvester 500 Series is a powerhouse of efficiency and precision. Assembled in Sweden, a country renowned for its craftsmanship in woodworking and home to furniture giant IKEA, this harvester stands out for its exceptional capabilities. The Eco Log 590 is equipped with a Volvo Penta 320 horsepower engine, ensuring it has the muscle to tackle even the toughest timber. Its 350-degree swivel cab provides unparalleled maneuverability, while the 11-meter crane and 6 wheels on a pendulum suspension allow for smooth off-road travel at speeds of up to 4 kilometers per hour. The flexible ground clearance and wheel positioning make it adept at navigating various terrains, ensuring you can handle all types of logging tasks quickly, safely, and cost-effectively. Swedish experts sum it up perfectly. The Eco Log 590 is not just a machine. It's your ultimate partner in the timber industry, combining speed, safety, and efficiency in one formidable package. POSCH Autosplit. Meet the POSCH Autosplit, the go-to log splitter for anyone looking to efficiently produce both kindling and standard firewood. This versatile machine is available in various models, each designed to cater to different demands. The Autosplit 250, for instance, may be compact, but it packs a punch, processing up to 2 cubic meters of firewood per hour. Capable of handling logs up to 42 centimeters in length and diameters between 250 and 370 millimeters. The POSCH Autosplit adapts to various wood types with ease. The splitting wedge comes in different shapes to ensure maximum efficiency, and additional features like convenient bagging trays and an oil cooler make extended use a breeze. Whether you're splitting firewood for your home or a larger operation, the POSCH Autosplit offers a blend of power, precision, and convenience that's hard to beat. Bündelsäge. In the world of firewood processing, the Bündelsäge stands out as a game changer. This innovative machine is designed to handle bundles of firewood with unmatched efficiency, especially when paired with a front loader. It offers adjustable firewood lengths up to 500 millimeters and can process logs up to 120 centimeters long. With a bandsaw speed of approximately 90 seconds per pass, depending on the wood's characteristics, it makes quick work of even the toughest jobs. While some users are excited about the convenience and efficiency the West Bündelsäge brings, others have expressed concern over the rising costs associated with firewood. One commenter even noted that this might be why firewood has become so expensive. This new approach to firewood processing is clearly making waves, sparking both interest and debate in the community. What's your take on this innovative machine? UNTHA POSCH 1300. The UNTHA POSCH 1300 is a specialized shredder designed to efficiently process wood pallets at the end of their life cycle. Featuring a feed hopper perfectly sized for pallets, the machine automatically feeds the wood into its cutting chamber, where it is shredded into fine chips. These chips are then passed through a sieve, ensuring uniformity. Metal parts like nails and screws are magnetically separated on the discharge conveyor, leaving behind clean, usable material. Whether used as fuel or natural mulch, the output is both practical and environmentally friendly. Powered by a robust 24 horsepower motor, the POSCH 1300 can handle up to 30 pallets per hour. Its compact size and straightforward internal construction also make it easy to maintain, making this shredder an ideal choice for businesses dealing with wood pallet disposal. Black Splitter S1. The Black Splitter S1 is a highly versatile hydraulic attachment designed for excavators, loaders, and similar heavy machinery. This tool transforms your equipment into a multifunctional powerhouse. The standard cone tip is perfect for splitting large firewood, but the system's true versatility shines with its ability to swap out the cone for various other attachments. You can easily equip drill bits with diameters of 300, 400, or 500 millimeters, earth drills for excavation tasks, or even screening baskets, steel brushes, and clamps. All these attachments use the same base, making it quick and simple to reconfigure your machine for different jobs. Additionally, the cone tip comes in different thread pitches to handle both hard and soft wood, ensuring you have the right tool for any wood splitting task. The S1 model itself is notably compact, weighing just 106 kilograms, making it a popular choice among buyers. The combination of its versatility and compact size, along with the ability to fit different adapter plates, makes the S1 an attractive investment at $2,790. Wravor Debarker WD 1400. The Wravor Debarker WD 1400 is a specialized machine designed to prepare logs for further processing by meticulously removing the bark. This step is crucial in the lumber industry, as the tough outer layers of wood can cause damage to other equipment down the line. Beyond just the bark, the WD 1400 also effectively removes large branches, dirt, and resin, ensuring the logs are clean and ready for sawing. Manufactured by the Slovenian company Wravor, the WD 1400 is built to handle logs with diameters ranging from 8 to 60 inches. This robust machine manages the entire debarking process, from picking up the logs to processing them, and finally unloading them for further transport. All of these operations are overseen by an operator housed in an elevated, air-conditioned cabin, ensuring comfort and control. One of the standout features of the WD 1400 is its optical log detection system, which enhances accuracy during the debarking process. Additionally, the operator has the ability to adjust the thickness of the layer being removed, tailoring the process to the specific needs of each log. Interestingly, the bark and other removed layers can be repurposed as fuel, adding an eco-friendly element to this already efficient machine. Bell Super Log Splitter. When faced with logs so massive they seem impossible to process or transport, the Bell's Super Log Splitter steps in as a game changer. Engineered by the Canadian company Bell's Machining, this industrial log splitter is built to handle the most formidable challenges. Equipped with a robust 66 horsepower diesel engine, the Bell's Super Log Splitter can tackle logs up to 48 inches in diameter and 9.5 feet in height. The machine's efficiency is driven by its powerful hydraulic system, which uses a propeller to push the log towards a base equipped with 4 sharp, piercing blades. The remarkable force generated reaches an impressive 76 tons, ensuring even the toughest logs are split with ease. A standout feature of this log splitter is its remote control capability, allowing operators to work from a safe distance and further enhancing safety on the job site. With its combination of power and precision, the Bell's Super Log Splitter is a vital tool for handling the largest of logs with unparalleled efficiency. Vermeer AX19 Brush Chipper. Introducing the Vermeer AX19, a brush chipper designed to enhance versatility and streamline the wood processing workflow. This US-made machine, mounted on a wheeled trailer, works seamlessly with a skid loader to tackle a range of forestry tasks. The AX19 excels in handling large logs and branches, capable of pulling in forces up to 12,100 pounds. This robust capability allows it to process logs of significant diameter with ease. The skid loader efficiently transports the raw material to the feed table, where the AX19 takes over the grinding process. Operators benefit from increased efficiency as the AX19 minimizes downtime. While the machine processes the material, the skid loader can immediately begin a new transport cycle, ensuring a continuous workflow without the need to wait for the loading process to complete. The chipper features both drum and disc cutting systems, each designed to produce finely chipped wood at impressive speeds of up to 119 feet per minute. Whether for routine maintenance or large-scale clearing, the Vermeer AX19 stands out for its flexibility and performance, making it a valuable tool for any forestry operation.